everybody, this is my video and I'm going to show you my really cool Lava Land coaster. It's like going around the whole entire world. You'll see dragons, you'll see everything really cool in this history. We might have time to do something else, but I'm not sure. I just really want to get on the roller coaster to show you. It has to do with a lot about lava dragons and all that stuff. So sit tight for the really cool. If you're wondering what this portal is, that's where it came through. It's just, I really wanted to show you this. Let's get on now. Giddy up. Okay. Oh, this is my favorite part. You get to look. Well, this is really cool actually. I went there, I got lost in there. I'm not kidding, I got lost in there once. It was so bad. I had to get out. It was like this haunted castle. That gave me the idea of my wizard castle. I just really wanted to show you my cool stuff. This is just like an awesome moment for me, and it might be for you too. So yeah, stomach, booty, and we're out. The funnest part is going through the portal launcher. That's the best part. The best part. And that is too, when they drop, and that is too. We're going through the portal launcher. It's just, I love making these kind of roller coasters. I hope you hit the like button so I could tell my parents to continue more, and yeah, I just really want likes. This is the best part since he eats us. He eats us, okay? You might have skipped some parts. This one's the baddest. You die. Now I know you're not familiar with this, but with me and you, we have the power to make a dragon. A dynamite one. Well, no. Let's just make a regular dragon. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Which kind? We can do the lame or lame-o. Please tell me on the subscribe if you like it or not. Please type in what you like or just say it on the computer. You want to do this one? This kind? 1, 2. Or do you want to do one of these? Well, I'm going to tell you mine. Let's make one of these. Okay, let's do this. So we've got the dragon. And now we are going to start this. So let's just, we should go on the roller coaster one more time. Yeah, that sounds good. Don't you think that sounds pretty good? Yeah, I like the sound of that. One more time, then I could I don't know where I'm going. But go on one more time if we still have time. You could try to help me make success. Okay, let's go on one more time. This time, tell me what it is. On the TV, on this subscribe button, whatever you want to do. Okay. We are going through the Lava Canyon. Like I said, I might want to go in there. I think I really want to go in there. This ride could continue itself. It's not gonna make it. Well, let's just get in my castle. Let's get in here. Let's get in. It's not working. Huh. Oh, we need to get into it. Here might be smart. Aww. Thought there were gonna be something. Don't worry, I'm still gonna show you guys what we have. Let's start here. Ready, let's go. Where do you think? Left, right? Oh, this looks bad. That looks bad. I'm gonna continue going this way. This one does too. I don't know. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Back it up. Okay. Let's break in. Ah! That's not what I wanted. Let's go over here. Let's go over here now. This is getting funner. No. We are going in the I don't know really. I kind of don't know how to get in the castle. This is like really hard. If you think you have an idea to get in, please tell me on the subscribe or on the TV. Just say it. Either way. Yeah, cause I'm not finding a way to get in. I wonder how I got in the last time. I wonder. I might try going this way. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try going this way this time. This looks like a better way to keep exploring the really cool adventures. Let's call it that. So yeah, there's no way to get in. I don't really actually know a way to get in, but I ended to the same spot I was in. Weird. Yeah, I don't know how I got in the last time. Or well, like I said, just subscribe. I really have to go, or it's gonna take a long time. Like I said, I might have more, I'm not sure. But see ya.